In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs landscape mode. If you've ever needed extra horizontal space for a wide table, a large image, or a two-column handout, switching your document from portrait to landscape gives you that room without changing your content. Here's exactly how to do it step by step. Start by opening your document in Google Docs. Make sure the file you want to edit is on your screen so you can see the changes right away. Now move up to the very top left corner of the window and click File. This opens a drop-down menu with settings that affect your whole document. From that menu, scroll down and click Page Setup. This is where you control key layout options like page size, margins, and orientation. In the Page Setup window, look for the Orientation section. You'll see two choices, Portrait and Landscape. Select Landscape. This switches the page layout so it's wider than it is tall, which is perfect for content that needs more width. To apply the change, click OK. Your document will instantly reflow into landscape mode. It's normal for text, images, and tables to shift as the page widens. Take a quick look through your pages and, if needed, adjust margins or reposition any elements to make the most of the extra space. You can return to page setup anytime if you want to fine-tune margins for a cleaner look. If you prefer working in landscape for most projects, you can make it your default for new documents. Right in the page setup window, after selecting landscape, click set as default and then click OK. From now on, every new Google Doc you create will start in landscape automatically, saving you a step each time. A few quick tips as you review your layout. Landscape mode is great for side-by-side comparisons, timelines, and wide charts that would otherwise wrap awkwardly. If you plan to print, use Print Preview to confirm that everything fits as expected, and adjust margins in page setup if you need a little more or less white space. Also, keep an eye on headers and footers. They'll expand horizontally along with the page, which can be useful for longer titles or page numbers. And that's it. You've switched your Google Doc to landscape mode, and you know how to set it as your default if you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.